Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the weekly time frame to 30 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, July 17th, we have Japanese bank holiday. At 7:30 AM, we have high impacting and medium impacting news planned for Chinese yuan related currency pairs. At 1:45 PM, we have medium impacting news planned for euro related currency pairs. And at 6 PM, we have high impacting news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. So I am in weekly time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action, I have connected the wicks of the past price action. And in the previous analysis, I had notified that it had formed a doji candlesticks and a trend reversal bullish candlesticks, and after that formation we have noticed a price action to form a bullish candle, which confirms that the price doesn't want to break this trend line or the support line, and the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame is still in a bullish trend. It still hasn't broken this previous high, which means that bullish trend reversal has not started, but again the bearish trend has been arrested in weekly time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1960 in order to get the confirmation on the bullish trend continuation in weekly time frame. And again, if the price action breaks this trend line or the support line and breaks the previous low, which is going to be around 1894, we can expect the bearish trend to continue from this support level of 1894. Still, this support level of 1894 is acting as a very strong support for the weekly time frame. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I've drawn a trend line or a resistance line for the daily time frame, where this line had acted as a support line and currently we are noticing it to act as a resistance line. So the price action has to break this resistance line in order to continue its bullish trend in daily time frame. And as long as the price action is trading below this black color trend line or the resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And we are noticing price action getting rejected at this resistance line and the trend line. And only when the price action breaks the support level of 1894, which is going to be the previous low, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue in daily time frame also. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1960, next level of resistance it's going to be around 2005. Here you can notice a fair value gap where we can expect the price action to retest to take the liquidity around this area. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I marked the resistance zone over here where we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance zone several times. So this is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the future price action also, and we are already noticing the price action to consolidate around this resistance zone, which shows that the price action is respecting this previous resistance zone. So we can expect the price action to again bounce back to take support on the previous support level of 1933. And also we have a very strong resistance line from the daily time frame, the black color line, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance on the bullish side from the 4 hours time frame is going to be around 1980 and 1999 or 2000 from the daily time frame. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks this support level of 1933, next level of support is going to be the weekly time frame trend line or the support line, which it has to break in order to continue its bearish side retracement in 4 hours time frame, and next level of support is going to be around 1893. And the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is in a bullish trend. It has formed a double bottom pattern. Then we have noticed a price action to bounce back to retest to the level where it started its bearish side retracement. We can expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement and take support on the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, and only when the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. This level of 1933 is also going to be acting as a neck level of the double bottom pattern. So wait for the price action to break this neck level in order to enter into the bearish side trade in 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action for hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the price action for the hourly time frame, we can notice that price action has consolidated within this range on a sideways momentum, which means that the buyers and sellers are in equal strength within this rectangle pattern. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side from this consolidation in order to freshly enter on the bullish side trade or on the bearish side based on the direction it gives a breakout. And from the 4 hours time frame, we know that the current trend of the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, and only when the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern, it will be the start of the bearish trend in hourly time frame also. And the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1961 and support level of 1949. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1949 on the bearish side, next level of support is going to be around 1941, and once the price action breaks this support level of 1941, next level of support is going to be around 1931, 1918 and 1900 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1961, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1979 or 80. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame, after testing this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and the daily time frame, we have noticed a price action to consolidate or to move on a sideways momentum, which shows that this level is acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action, which also means that it has to bounce back on the bearish side to gather enough liquidity in order to break this resistance zone. For now, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. And I have also drawn the trend line or the support line for the 30 minutes time frame, and currently we have noticed a price action to break this trend line. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this rectangle pattern from the hourly time frame in order to enter into the directional trade in 30 minutes time frame also. And if the price action gives a breakout on the bearish side, breaking the current support level of 1951, next level of support is going to be around 1943, 1937, 1931, 1923 and 1912. And on the bullish side, if the price action gives a breakout from this rectangle pattern on the bullish side, breaking the current resistance level of 1963, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Please refer the higher time frame levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, please press that like button in order to support my video and share this video with your friends.